Adjust your volume. Mastering audio control in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase that you might come across in everyday situations. Adjust your volume. Understanding this phrase not only helps you in managing your audio devices but also in communicating effectively in English. Let's dive in and demystify what it means to adjust your volume and how you can use this phrase in your daily life. Adjust your volume is a phrase that refers to the action of changing the loudness or sound level of an audio source. It can be used in various contexts, from adjusting the sound on your personal devices like smartphones and computers to managing the noise level in a public setting. The key components of this phrase are: adjust, to change or modify something. You're referring to the person being spoken to. Volume, the level of sound. When someone asks you to adjust your volume, they are either requesting you to increase or decrease the sound level depending on the situation. Personal devices. When using headphones, speakers, or any audio playing devices, you might be told to adjust your volume for a better listening experience or to protect your hearing. For example, if the sound is too low, you might increase the volume to hear better. Conversely, if it's too loud, you should lower it to avoid disturbing others or harming your ears. In public spaces. In public spaces or at work, being asked to adjust your volume might mean to lower the sound of your device or your voice. This is particularly important in environments like libraries, offices, or public transport, where maintaining a quiet atmosphere is essential. In online meetings. During online meetings or calls, adjusting your volume can refer to modifying the microphone sensitivity or speaker volume to ensure clear communication without background noise or feedback. 1. Know your device. Familiarize yourself with the volume controls of your devices. Look for physical buttons or software settings that allow you to change the volume. 2. Be considerate. Always be mindful of your surroundings and adjust the volume accordingly to avoid disturbing others. 3. Test your settings. Before joining an online meeting or call, test your audio settings to ensure your volume is at an appropriate level. Understanding and effectively using the phrase, adjust your volume, can significantly improve your communication skills in English and help you navigate social and professional settings more confidently. We hope this video has been helpful in explaining how to use this phrase in various contexts. Remember, being considerate of others and aware of your environment when adjusting your volume is key to effective communication. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.